Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to Focusee, the screen recording tool that automatically turns raw captures into polished, professional-looking videos in minutes. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or indie dev, Focusee makes editing practically effortless thanks to a smart, AI-driven workflow. I started by changing the canvas size to fit the exact aspect ratio I needed. A few clicks later, I dialed in the padding, inset, corner roundness, and even added a subtle drop shadow. Instantly, my recording looked like it had been through a full-blown motion graphics suite. Next up, backgrounds. Focusee ships with a bunch of ready-made options, but you can also stack multiple backgrounds or upload your own image, which is what I did. Perfect for dropping in a branded gradient, a company wallpaper, or any custom artwork. I then resized and restyled the cursor and activated a click highlight effect so every interaction pops on screen. It makes tutorials clearer and keeps viewers glued to what matters. Focusee can auto-generate captions in real time. My demo recording didn't have audio, so you won't see them here, but if you're narrating, subtitles appear automatically. Huge win for accessibility and engagement. Inside the timeline, I split a clip, deleted the part I didn't need, and ramped the speed of the remaining segment up to 2 times. Smooth, intuitive, no external editor required. To direct attention, I layered on a spotlight effect. It literally dims everything except the area I want viewers to focus on. Great for onboarding flows or UI walkthroughs. When you're done, export to MP4 or GIF, tweak resolution and frame rate, and you're ready for YouTube, Twitter, or your company wiki. And yes, Focusee runs on both macOS and Windows, so no one's left out. According to the pricing table on screen, Focusee offers lifetime licenses for 1, 2, or 5 computers, with free updates included. Pick the tier that fits your workflow and you're set forever. And because you're part of this community, use my exclusive code FOTACHU at checkout to unlock an extra discount. That's Focusee, canvas customization, branded backgrounds, cursor effects, instant captions, effortless timeline edits, spotlighting, and flexible exports, all wrapped in a dead simple UI. Give it a spin and let me know what you create. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more productivity hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.